In adding similar fractions, the numerators are the only ones being added. The sum must be written above the common denominator. Then express the answer in the simplest form as much as possible. To add dissimilar fractions, first, find the LCD to write equivalent fractions. Number 2, add the numerators. Number 3, write the sum over the common denominator. Then number 4, simplify whenever possible. Example, add. Number 1, 3/8 plus 1/8 is equal to, we are going to add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, copy the denominator 8. So, the answer is 4/8. Then, we are going to simplify. 4/8 can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So, the final answer is 1/2. Number 2, 5 and 1/7 plus 3/7 is equal to 5 and 4/7. Number 3, 1/15 plus 8 and 6/15 is equal to 8 and 7/15. Number 4, 2/10 plus 1/10 is equal to 3/10. Another example. Number 1, 1/3 plus 1/2. So this is a dissimilar fraction. So we are going to find the LCD or the least common denominator. So we can do it by skip counting by 3. So 3, 6, 9, and 12. Then skip counting by 2, 2, 4, and 6. So 6 is the least common of 3 and 2. So 6 is the LCD. Then 6 divided by 3, then times 1 is equal to 2. Then copy the denominator 6. So 1/3 is equal to 2, 6. Then 1/2. So 6, the LCD is 6 divided by 2. Then times 1 is equal to 3. Then copy the denominator 6. So the answer is 3, 6. So 1/2 equivalent to 3, 6. Then 2, 6 plus 3, 6 is equal to 5, 6. Next, example number 2. 2/3 plus 1/5. We are going to find the LCD. So the LCD is 15. Then we can write in equivalent fraction. So 2/3. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So we write in the equivalent fraction of 2/3 is 10, 15. Next, the equivalent fraction of 1/5 is 3/15. So we are going to multiply by 3. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. And 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So the equivalent fraction of 1/5 is equal to 3/15. Another 2/3 plus 1/5. So this is the continuation, is equal to 10, 15 plus 3, 15. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. And copy the denominator 15. So the final answer is 13 over 15. Next, number 2. 1 and 1/2 plus 1/4. So rename the mixed number as improper fraction. So 1 and 1/2, the improper fraction is 3/2 plus 1/4. So determine the LCD of these fractions, then rename them as similar fractions. So we are going to write the equivalent fraction of 3/2. So we are going to multiply by 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 3/2, the equivalent fraction is 6/4. Then 6/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 7/4. We are going to simplify. 7/4 is equal to 1 and 3/4. Right. Key ideas to subtract dissimilar fractions. Number 1, find the LCD to write equivalent fractions. Number 2, subtract the numerators. Number 3, write the difference over the common denominator. Number 4, simplify whenever possible. In subtracting similar fractions, the numerator are the only ones being subtracted. The difference must be written above the common denominator. Then express the answer in the simplest form as much as possible. 7/12 minus 3/12 equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and copy the denominator 12. So 4/12, or we are going to simplify, divide the numerator and denominator by 4. So the answer is 1/3. Number 2, 6/11 minus 2/11 is equal to 4/11. Number 3, 10/23 minus 3/23 is equal to 7/23. Number 4, 4/5 minus 1/3. So find the LCD. The LCD is 15. So we write the equivalent fraction of 4/5 and the equivalent fraction of 1/3. So the equivalent fraction of 4/5 is 4 times 3 is equal to 12, and 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So 12/15 is the equivalent fraction of 4/5. And 1/3, the equivalent fraction is 5/15. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and copy the denominator 15. So the final answer is 7/15.